So remember, let's first review what we learned last class about Earth's resources. What resources have we learned about so far? There's two of them. Which two have we focused on, Susie?
Water and air.
Excellent job, Susie. Great work. Water and air. Why is air important? Why is air important, Lion?
To breathe.
To breathe. Excellent job. Why is water important, Lion?
Because when we don't have water, then we not can drink and eat.
Excellent. We need it to drink. We need it for plants and animals so they can drink and then we can eat them. What happens if the air and the water gets dirty? Ben, what happens to us if the air and the water get dirty?
We cannot drink the water.
Yeah, what happens if we do? What happens if we drink it?
We will get sick.
Excellent, we will get sick, and same with the air. If we breathe dirty air, if we breathe too much pollution, we will get sick. All right, so what makes the air polluted? Rio, what can make the air dirty?
Wind.
Wind, very good. We have wind power using a windmill, and we can also use water. Water from this river is flowing through a machine that turns just like the windmill and makes power. So we can use wind, we can use water. And is our wind and water clean or dirty energy? Jeffrey? Are they clean or dirty energy?
Clean energy.
Excellent job. It's clean energy. Coal and oil, those are dirty. Those are dirty energy. Okay, very good, everybody. Nice reminder. So let's go over your homework. Your homework was a quizzes, and this is the best that you guys have done on a quizzes. I was very, very impressed. Very good, everybody. All right. Let's start with question number 1. What is a forest ranger? Plan?
Someone who helps protect the forest.
Excellent job, Plan. You're exactly right. Number 2. Riku, what do forest rangers do?
All of them both.
Excellent. Can you read A, B, and C for us?
They teach about the forest. B, they help stop forest fire from happening. C, they help take care of the plant and animal. D, all of them above.
Excellent job. Make sure you put the S's on your words, Riku. Plants and animals. Very nice. So forest rangers do all of these things. Great work, everyone, on the correct answers there. What is a natural resource? Robert.
What is natural resource? Something we can use from home, something we can use from nature, something we cannot use from nature, something we can find inside our heart. I choose.
Which one is correct?
I choose B.
Hey, excellent job, Robert. Natural resource is something we can use from nature. Excellent work. And everyone remember, this word is natural. Everyone say natural. And this word is nature. Everyone say nature. They're similar, but not the same. Which one is a natural resource? Potato, which one is a natural resource?
The water.
Excellent. Potato, do you know a natural resource that is used to make bricks?
Rocks.
Excellent. Rocks, sand, water. Nice work, Potato. Number 5, how can we use air? John, how can we use air?
Traveling.
Excellent. For traveling, like hang gliders, planes, sailboats. Very good, John. So we can use air and water for clean energy and electricity for our houses. We can use air and water for traveling. We use air for breathing and water for drinking. Number 6, how can we not use water? Alex.
To build.
To build, very good. So can you read the 3 ways we can use water?
To drink.
To drink, excellent. And what's one more? A or C?
For traveling.
Very good, for traveling. Excellent job. Thank you, Alex. What does conserve mean? Jack, what does conserve mean?
To protect and save.
Very good. Can you say conserve?
Conserve.
Very nice. Great work, Jack. Conserve, to protect and save. What makes water? So conserve means protect and save. Before we can conserve something, we need to know what hurts it. What do we need to protect it from? So in this question, what makes water dirty? Pony, what makes water dirty?
Putting dirty water from factory and bathrooms into clean water.
Very good. So if we want to conserve water, if we want to protect it, how can we save it from this? What do you think, Pony? Pirates.
We need them to survival.
Very good. We need them to survive. To survive. Excellent work, everybody. Okay, so let's do a quick review about what we learned about water. So we learned about air. Last class was water. Who remembers these ways that harm water? Thomas, what harms the water?
Throw trash into the sea.
Excellent. What about another one of these pictures, Thomas?
Oils in the water.
Excellent. Oil spilling into the water can hurt animals, trash in the water. What are the other two pictures? Perry.
The people wash for the plants and trees.
Yeah, so this is where we're using too much water. There's only so much water on the earth. We need to reduce how much water we use. So here, they're using too much water to water the plants. We need to reduce how much water we use or we will run out of clean water to drink. And this top one is dirty water. Dirty water going into our clean water. Now we can't use it anymore. So it's important to conserve it because we only have so much water to drink. Let's take a look at the second part of this video. Yesterday we looked at air. Now let's look at water. Make sure you're paying attention because I will ask questions.
Water is a very important resource. We need water to drink. We use water in our homes to bathe and wash our dishes and cook. Farmers use water to grow the fruits and vegetables we eat.
All right, how do they use water? Let's see. Jeffrey. Jeffrey, what ways did they say we use water?
To grow plants.
Excellent. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables with water. Very good. All right, guys, keep listening.
Everyone needs water, even animals. But there's only so much water on Earth. That means it could run out if we use too much. Because there are a lot of people on the planet, and because there is only a small amount of water we can drink and use, we need to save as much water as possible.
Why do we need to save as much water as possible? Nick, why do we need to save as much water as possible?
If we don't have water, we will die.
Very good. And is there a small amount of water that we can drink and use, or is there a lot of water?
There is a little bit of water, so we can use one day a little bit so we can drink.
Excellent job. So Nick is exactly right. There's not that much water. Think of all of the people on the planet, all of the plants and animals on the planet, all of the farms, all of the factories that need water. They all use fresh, clean water. Most of the world is salt water. We can't drink salt water, and neither can animals. Okay, so we need to keep it clean and conserve it, or we could run out. Thousands of people die every single day from drinking dirty water or from not having water at all. We're lucky here in Vietnam that we have plenty of water to drink right now, but some places aren't as lucky. And people die from not having clean water to drink, so make sure we reduce how much water we use, so use less, and conserve, protect the water that we do have, okay, everybody? Let's take a look at some little videos about water, about air, water, and what we are going to learn today.
What natural resources do you think are found on Earth? A natural resource is anything from nature that people can use. Click each picture to find out.
All right, let's look at the natural resource, air.
Earth has a layer of air around it. We need air to breathe. Clouds in the air contain water.
So there's actually water in the air as well as clouds.
Can you see the clouds over the land here? Clouds carry water from the ocean to the land.
All right, let's ask a question. How about Leo? Leo, what do clouds do?
Carry water from the ocean to the land.
Very good. And then what do they do once they're on land? What happens to the water?
They will drop.
It drops as what? What's that called?
Rain.
Excellent job. Very good, Leo.
Did you know that most of Earth's surface is covered with water? All living things need water to live.
But remember, most of that water is salt water. We need fresh water.
Plants, such as these trees, need water to grow.
All right, Perry, why do plants need water?
To grow.
Very good. And why do animals need water?
To drink.
Excellent. Very good.
Animals also need water to drink.
All right, next we're going to look at two new resources. So we've learned about air and water. Today we're learning about plants and animals.
Plants are important to people because we eat them and use them to make things, like paper.
Why are plants important? Susie, why are plants important?
People need plants so they can make things and eat.
And
For example, they can make the paper out of wood.
excellent job. We need plants to eat, to make things. Very good, Susie.
We use animals for food and to make things.
Animals are the same, right? For food, to make things. Robert, can you think of something we can make from animals?
Food.
Food, very good. Can you think of anything else, Robert?
Blanket. Use the fur.
Excellent. We use their fur to make blankets. Great job, everybody. Okay, so let's go back here and start. People use natural resources. Potato, can you read that box for me?
Plants and animals are nature resources, so we use them.
Excellent. And can you read this question for me?
What are some ways that people use plants and animals?
Excellent. Can you think of a way, Potato?
Eat.
Excellent. We can eat them. And actually, we have a little thing separating plants and animals. So let's do that in 1 second. Who wants to practice their reading? Who thinks they need some extra work on their reading?
Correct.
No. Excellent job. Can someone give me some examples of some clothes? Ben, what are clothes?
Something we put on our bodies.
Excellent. Like a t-shirt or some pants? Great definition, Ben. So first, let's start with how people use plants. And this is what the question was earlier. How do people use plants? Riku, how do people use plants?
People use plant to eat.
Excellent. To eat, very good. How else do people use plants? Alex?
To make things like paper.
Excellent, very good. Let's try and get a few more. How about from Jack? How else can we use plants?
People use plant for making our food for animals.
Good, so making not just for us to eat, but making food for animals to eat. Jack, how else can we use the wood from a tree?
We use the wood from the tree to cut down and they make house for people.
Excellent. So we use trees to build houses. We also use plants to make oxygen so we can
cut down the tree so that we can build our house for us and for our animal.
Excellent job, Jack. Great work. Those are all really good ways we use plants. Here are some more how people use plants. John, could you please read the first one?
We make wood toys from trees.
Very good. How else can we use trees, John?
To make things.
To make things, to make pencils, to make houses, to make paper. All right. Lily, can you read the next two?
Okay. We make soap from cotton.
That word is cotton.
Cotton. What is cotton?
Cotton is this plant right here. So cotton is a kind of plant. And if you look at a shirt that was made in an English-speaking country like America, your t-shirt will say made from cotton, 100% cotton. So cotton is like socks and t-shirts. That's what we use that plant for. Can you read the next one, Lily?
Okay. We make food from tomato.
Excellent job. Thank you for reading, Lily. Very good. All right, so which one is being used for food? Lion, which one is being used for food?
Cotton.
Are we using the tree, the cotton, or the tomatoes for food?
Tomato.
Tomatoes, very good. How can a tomato be used for food? What are the different ways we use tomatoes for food? Nick?
Tomato sauce.
Excellent. Tomato sauce for pizza?
Spaghetti.
Yeah, for spaghetti. Excellent job. What are some of your favorite foods to eat? Pony, what's your favorite food to eat?
My favorite food is meat.
Meat. What natural resource does meat come from?
Cows.
Cows. Very good. Excellent job, Pony. Leo, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausage.
And what natural resource does sausages come from?
Pig, cow.
Excellent, pigs and cows, very good. All right, so we've already done that one. Here we go. Pirates, can you read the writing in yellow?
Goods are things that we make and sell.
Excellent. So goods are like this, the wood rocking horse, the ketchup or sauce that we make from tomatoes. Those are goods. Pirates, can you read the blue writing?
Example, I got a lot of wood from the market today.
Excellent. I got a lot of goods from the market today. Thomas, can you think of another example of a sentence that uses goods or goods, like my favorite goods to get from the store, or my favorite good to buy? I bought the good blank yesterday. Go ahead, Thomas. All right, let's start with this, Thomas. Can you name some goods? Goods are just things that we make and sell. So what's an example of a good?
Food.
Food, excellent job. What else is an example of a good, Thomas?
Water.
Water, excellent. And also, what about these that we wear? These are goods. What are these called?
My t-shirt is a good.
Is a good, exactly. So goods are food, clothes, anything that we make and sell. Right? So my favorite good to buy from the store is candy. Let's see. Rio, what is your favorite good to buy?
My favorite good is iPad.
iPad, excellent. His favorite good is an iPad, okay. So plants and animals again, but this time people use animals. How do people use animals? Potato.
People use animal to eat.
Excellent, to eat. Twayan, how else do people use animals?
To get meat.
So that would be to eat. What else? What do we use their fur for?
Make clothes.
Excellent, to make clothes. Maybe we use their bones to make tools. Or, for example, we can use a cow. A cow's poop or manure makes fertilizer. To help plants grow, fertilizer is all the nutrients that plants need to grow, so we can use them on farms. Okay, let's read these. Lily, can you read the first one?
Okay. We make sweaters from sheep wool.
Yes, but so how do we know that it's a natural resource? Can we use a sheep?
Yes.
Can we find it in nature?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a natural resource. Okay, so let's do a little bit of practice. I want you guys to circle all of the plants. Remember, we want to let our classmates practice, so let's be nice to each other and do a nice circle like this. Okay? No scribbling. No scribbling. No doing circles like this or like this. We're going to be nice to each other and do a nice circle, okay? Everybody go ahead and circle the plants. Circle the plants. Nice, Susie, Pony, Perry, good. Leo, nice. All right, excellent work, everyone. The plants, everybody repeat after me. Tree. Tomato. And cotton. Very good. You guys got them right. These are the plants. All right, go ahead and circle the animals. Circle all the animals. Excellent job, everyone. I see John, Susie, very nice. Tway-Ann, very good. All right, the animals are the sheep, the chicken, and the cow. This one's a little harder. Circle all of the goods. So this is the difference between a good and a natural resource. Which one did we make? Go ahead and circle the goods. Nice, Susie, very good. John, good job. Leo, very nice. Tway-Ann. All right, excellent work, everybody. The goods are the horse, the wooden horse, the cheese, the sweater, and the socks. Now, circle the natural resources. Circle the natural resources. Can we find cheese in nature?
Yes.
All right, very nice. This looks really good. We have the sheep going to the sweater, the tomatoes going to the sauce bottle or the ketchup bottle, the cows going up to the cheese, and the tree is going to the wooden horse. Okay, we don't have time to read the conclusions, but we can read them on Monday. It's just a summary of what we've learned this whole week. Let's go over your homework. Okay, your homework is to pick animals or plants and find 2 goods made from them. So if I pick animals, I'll find 2 goods in my house or outside made by animals. Or if I pick plants, I'll find 2 goods made by plants. Okay? So for example, here is cheese made by a cow and a sweater made by the sheep. So these are 2 goods I found in my house made by animals. Your second part after you pick your 2 goods is to make a video. What natural resource made this good? For the cheese, it was made by a cow. How else can we use this natural resource? We can use cows to eat. We can use cows for milk. We can use cows' poop and manure to fertilize a farm for the plants. Why is it important to conserve the natural resource that made this good? It's important to conserve cows because we use them as food. All right, so find 2 goods and then answer the 3 questions about each good. All right, so in your video, you should say 6 things. 3 questions for good number 1 and answer the 3 questions for good number 2. And you guys can be creative with it. Be creative, okay? You guys could cook something if you want and talk about the natural resources in your dinner. You could make something using plants or animals, right? You could make something with plants like, you can make a planter. You could make a salad, okay? You could draw something. Or you can just find a t-shirt, a pencil, anything you want. Everything is made from natural resources, right? So have fun with it, okay? Anyone have a question about the homework? You'll get the directions in the email, so no worries. Lion?
It means we can cook the something that we make and then we will show on the video.
Exactly. You could cook something, show us on the video, and tell us what natural resources you used to make it. Yeah, feel free. Have fun, okay? I can't wait to show your videos on Monday and share it with the class. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye. Bye.